The local time is 9:28. We want you to stay safe, so please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until we have arrived at the gate and the fasten seatbelt sign has been turned off. You may now use your cell phones, provided that they are within reach, but please keep your laptops to the carry-on stowed until we have arrived at the gate. You may pick up your checked bags at baggage claim. Alaska Airlines offers a baggage service guarantee. If your checked bags are not on the carousel within 20 minutes of our arrival at the gate, please see a customer service agent for miles or discounts off your next flight. For information about connecting flights, check the monitors inside the terminal or use the Alaska Airlines mobile app. On behalf of all the employees at Alaska Airlines, especially those 2 fine pilots that got us here safely, and your 3 San Diego-based flight attendants, it has been our pleasure to serve you. You can always find us at alaskaair.com. Thank you for choosing Alaska Airlines and have a wonderful night.